Another option you have, streamline option here. Whenever you are applying fillets or chamfers, of course, you can do an individual select of each edge if you want. So if I create an edge fillet, I can come around and I can select individual edges if I want, or I can actually come out and I can window and it'll pick every single one of those edges. Same thing happens with chamfer. You can pick individual edges or you can window to select multiple edges at once. Now I picked something in here that can't be chamfered. That's why it's not giving me a preview, or the chamfer size is too big. Okay, size was too big. So you can run into a situation like that if you're selecting some stuff that you didn't need to, or that is not large enough to accommodate whatever size you're working with. But you can perform window selections for fillets and chamfers.